In this video, we will explain the class and object structures frequently used in Python. At the end of the video, you will understand exactly what class and object structures are. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Let's first understand what class and object are in Python. In Python, a class is a blueprint or a template for creating objects. It defines a data structure and behavior that objects created from the class will have. Think of a class as a prototype for creating objects with shared characteristics and functionalities. For example, if car is a class, objects can be Porsche, Rolls-Royce, or Toyota. Let's look at examples to understand better. In the first example, we created a class named car. The properties of the class are make, model and year. We defined these features within the class. We created a variable using the class. Now I can access the properties of the class using the variable I created. I printed all the properties on the console screen. But this example does not make sense, because the purpose of the class is to create more than one object. Therefore, it is not correct to define within the class. Let's look at the second example. In the second example, no direct definition was made within the class. There is an init function. I sent the self, make, model and year parameters to the init function. I synchronized the variables using the self parameter. The self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class and is used to access variables that belong to the class. It does not have to be named self, you can call it whatever you like, but it has to be the first parameter of any function in the class. We will give examples of this in a moment. I created two objects. I can now define make, model and year values when creating an object. I print the properties of the objects on the console screen using the print command. I can create a class and objects using this template. This makes much more sense than the previous example. In the third example, instead of accessing the properties of the objects, I try to access the objects directly. In the previous example, we learned to access the properties of objects. But we cannot access the objects directly. It shows us the location of objects in memory. So how can we access objects directly? In the fourth example, I defined a string function. This is a special function and works when you want to access objects directly. I access the objects directly and all their properties are printed on the console screen. We can define functions inside the class. All objects of the class can use this function. It has a similar structure to the previous example. I printed all the properties of the objects on the console screen. So, is the self parameter a special parameter? No, it is not. It does not have to be named self. You can call it whatever you like, but it has to be the first parameter of any function in the class. It functions the same as the previous example. I recommend using self to become a habit. After defining the objects, we can modify them. In this example, after defining the properties of the object, I printed its properties to the console using the function in the class. After modifying the properties of the object, I again printed the properties of the object on the console screen. In this way, you can modify the properties of your objects when necessary. You can delete a property of the object. The model feature can now be displayed. If we delete the model property, the program will give an error, because the function in the class wants to print this feature to the console with print. You can delete the object completely. When the object is deleted, all its properties are automatically deleted. We can now print the object's properties on the console screen. But if we delete the object, we can no longer access this object. The program will give an error. In this video, we learned the class and object structures frequently used in Python. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.